Hi everyone, this is the channel EVACARMAT to you. We are located in Australia, Melbourne, and today we have another one car, and this is a car Honda Civic. Which year? 2017 Honda Civic, and the car mat was done in the black color and with the blue webbing. As you can see here, all the lines next to the board. It's gonna help you to keep your car clean. We just molded for the left leg the car mats and install the aluminium frame for your leg, especially if you have a high heels. It's so good for the lady, they're not gonna damage any sort of the car mat. And let's have a look on the back. Look at these lines everywhere, like we did the molded also the back for the passengers, and all the parts you can take away with Velcro and just adjusted the back. And have a look on the boot, the trunk area. The old trunk we did with the, you see here everywhere with the board, that all dust and dirt stay inside. Another one this side, and look, another one passengers area. All the lines next to your boards. Thank you for your attention. Could you write a few comments? What do you think about this car mat? Thank you. Don't forget to press likes and follow us.